And then we can have the open concept inside the building now. These beams are gonna run from the front door all the way to the kitchen. Tell me a little bit about this, Robert. What is this?
It's an LVL, Laminated Veneer Lumber.
Laminated Veneer Lumber. Okay.
Plywood stacked and glued together, all in
Yeah, I'll call you right back.
Stronger than steel.
Right,
It will not bend. This will tote the load.
All right. I don't know. Why is it that color? Is it pressure treated or something?
It's not pressure treated, it's the glue.
It's the glue. Okay. It's going to sit on this wall right here. Horse hangers right here are going to be, it's going to go in there and it's going to connect. And it's going to hold that beam, it's going to be holding this up.
863-640-8401.
And where you work at?
Haven Building Products.
Y'all see that? And he brought the beam to us. All right. That's how, no, we definitely don't want this falling down.
It won't be fun. Inch and 3/4, yeah, it'll just slip right past this.
So that's an inch and, its total is 5 1/4.
Yeah. So if we put one up, it's gonna fall. I gotta nail it on here first.
Felix.
I would get it in the ceiling if it was all together. The trouble would be getting it out of the truck and bringing it over here, because each one of those weigh about 200 to 300 pounds. So
LVL beam in here.
doesn't teeter totter.
Acreage.
Yeah.
All right, can we get this on the first try, gentlemen? We got the jack, we got the beam, we got the brace, we got Mike, we got Ben, we got Felix.
Stand it up. All right. Pull it this way. All right, hold on.
Hold on, wait.
Hold it right there. I'm going up.
Felix, put it on the ladder, Felix. Put it on the ladder, Felix. Put it on the, there you go. Take your time. We got you. Hold up. You got to come down. Y'all got to come down on your end. Oh. Take your time, Felix. Push it up. You and that board hitting it, Felix. Yeah. All right, now, go.
Okay, there we go.
Go.
Hold it right there. Going up.
Just hold it right there, Mike. Just hold. Okay.
Hold on. I can get in.
We can't go up. Yeah, come to me, Ben. You got more height up here.
No, he has to cut that board.
No, he don't. Felix gonna get it in there. Hold up, Felix. I'm coming on your end, Felix.
We got it. Hit him with the sledgehammer over there. No, don't worry about the 2x6. Grab the sledgehammer and hit it that way.
Push it up. There you go. Hold it. We got it. We got past. There you go. All right, come on. They got it. Got it. Come on. No, come with that, Ben. Let Ben come with that.
Yeah, put that over here.
Come on, Ben. Good job, Ben. Ben hit that joke in there, didn't he? Yeah, he sludged it up. Hey! Just regroup now. What we do, Felix? Hit it again, Felix. She passed that test, y'all, today. I did it! Jack it on up, Felix. Get up, Felix. I know you was happy, wasn't you? She did it. Oh, that's why she made it, right? Watch out, Mike. I want to shout out to my beautiful and lovely wife. She's been taking care of all the business and all the transactions for Radford Homes. Got it braced.
All right, that's another one bite for the
That's another one bite for the Oh, you just turned it on its side.
Looks pretty
Boy,
nice.
you a smart man, Felix. All I gotta do is put the right people with you. Ben need to come with us. We need Ben. We looking at houses. Can we have Ben? The realtor. Ben say, man, that's
All
my
right,
dad.
let's check it out.
Crazy. Pouring it in, baby.
Get them feeling.
My first rodeo.
I know it's my first rodeo. I'm the rookie here. Alright, put it up under there. Good then, it came all the way up there. Go in, Mike, go in. Go. That means it's full. Hold up. That's right. Ready? Set. She's full, so we gotta put boards up to there now. Open.
That's all right. That's all right. Yeah, that's all right.
Pouring it solid so the beam can sit on top of it. Right here, be right here. That's your linen closet right there, and here's your shower.
Same thing has to be done with those, so you can see
What you putting on now?
squeezing them together.
You squeezing them together? Stump grinding. This room is a bonus room. What you mean by look at that? That's for your sink right there. Your dual vanity.
Hey, this is the best
For real?
in the world.
So it has to be bun. Or they'll split open and fall. Inside. Okay, so and we got what you call liquid nail.
Mike,
Right into the outside. That's the exterior wall right there. Yeah. Woo! Gotta drop down some more. Salute all veterans. Talk to you later. This is Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. Let's go, baby. I think that's it.
All right, today we are surveying land. Check it out.
Well,
We got the surveyor out here getting ready to close the deal on this.
Surveyor got that glue in there.
Came out and put that there. And I always come back and put my rebar in there.
Liquid
Check
rebar
it
there.
out. Surveyor
All right.
doing his thing.
That there ain't gonna come
Both
out.
sides of the street.
Nail down deep.
We got one down there too.
I know you was happy.
Okay, why is it important to get a survey? You want to get a survey because you want to make sure that you mark your corners. All right? You want your corners so you can, everybody will know this is my land and this is my corner here. So what he's doing right now,
My homeboy Ben fence.
he's already marked the corners. So what you doing right now, Eric?
That's another one bites the dust.
That's another one bites.
Oh, curving utilities. And his machine right there does all that for him. You gotta know how to work it though. All right, right here, as you can see, here's one of my corners, my corner lot, corner stakes.
Thank you.
All right, and then you'll notice that they have the rebar, the tab in the ground. It lets you know. So it's important to do a survey before you buy some land, so you'll know what you own. All right. And we're on the west side of town, where I grew up at. And, of course, we're buying this land here. And then across the street, he's doing both surveys for us. He's doing the survey on this side of the street.
I'm gonna take them in a minute.
And he's doing the survey on this side of the street where my truck is.
Now, Felix just cut this
Right.
LVL beam.
Okay,
This is
cool.
a $200 beam.
You want to know more
Just
about
one
that?
of
Give
them.
us a call. 931-241-9714. Radford Homes.
All right, y'all learned something today?
Get on that.
The markers are all around. Every time you see this little marker with the stake here like that, and if you look down there where that fence is
Keep going, keep going.
for our land we're buying. And then at the end down there, if you notice, the driveway was on our side. They cut the driveway in half. Now we didn't do that. They did that on their own before they closed on the house. Because that's their property line going this way. And this is Radford Homes property line on this side. Call 931-241-9714. Here's one corner stake. Right there.
Recording everything over here, and we time lapsing over here.
For this land. And then there's always going to be 4 stakes. Unless you got like a triangle. Now here is the other stake right here.